everyone and welcome to House. My name is Pooja and today we will be doing the unboxing of the extension project Arihan Aspire by Arihan Group located in Palsgate Fata, Panvel. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. We are standing inside the sales office and to my left you can see the actual towers and the land parcel of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, internal and external amenities, master plan, floor plan, capital analysis, parking, possession, maintenance, pros and cons, and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you bottom rate price. Unlike other listing platforms where if you are inquiry, your number is shared with different vendors, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housing is one such real estate platform. The listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housing. Now, talking about the project overview, Arihan Aspire Township will be constructed on land parcel of 16 acres that will have 8 towers that will be developed all together, coming with ground plus 43 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium deck apartments with Jodi options available. Now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Old Mumbai Goa Road, from where Panvel railway station is only at a distance of 5.5 kilometers, Navi Mumbai Airport is at a distance of 10 kilometers, Atal Setu is at a distance of 8 kilometers, and T-Mart is only at a distance of 2 minutes walk from the project. Now, talking about the amenities, internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, stainless steel sink, intercom facility, branded fittings, and much more. And talking about external amenities, this project has 80 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, clubhouse, jogging track, senior citizen area, tennis court, kids play area, multi-purpose court, and many more amenities. Talking about the parking part, this project has podium level of car parking facilities. And now let's have a look at the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of Arihan Aspire. Here you can see these are the 2 towers that has already been launched and sold out, and now it's launch of 3 towers named as Della, Tower Galenia and Tower Catalina. Coming to the carpet area, 1 BHK has a carpet area of 403 square feet and 2 BHK has carpet area of 583 and 725 square feet, and 3 BHK has the carpet area of 937 square feet. Now let's have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of Tower Della, with each floor having 12 flats, 6 lifts and 2 staircases, same as other towers. This is the typical floor plan of Tower Galenia, with each floor having 9 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases, and this is the typical floor plan of Tower Catalina, with each floor having 8 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 1 BHK of 403 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 725 square feet, and this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 937 square feet. Now, talking about the maintenance varies with configuration, with 2 BHK maintenance of 1612 per month, 3 BHK maintenance of 2900 per month, and 4 BHK maintenance of 3748 per month. Now, talking about the possession, the RERA possession date is for December 2028 and 2029. And to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housing.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Arihan Aspire by Arihan Group, located at Palsgate Fata, Panvel.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.